I'm looking good. Yo, it's everywhere. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I know, like, I have been, can I say MIA for so long, not so long, but like it feels like 1,000 years. It feels like 4 months. I know I haven't been here like for, what was it, 2 weeks? Yeah, I think for 2 weeks. And yeah, I know, like, I have been so busy, and sometimes, you know, you just need to not put too much pressure on yourself. That's what I can say. Like, I didn't want to put pressure on myself, so I just decided to, you know, let me just slow down a little bit, and then when I'm just, you know, yeah, I'll come back. Now we're back in business, like now we're back, and I'm so excited, guys. I'm so happy. So if you are new, if you just bumped into my channel, don't forget to subscribe. The red button is here. You know the things, you know what to do, you know what to do. Make sure, guys, you subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell to know whenever I post. Okay, so today, okay, my light, I don't know, this lighting is really not doing me justice, you know, like, what is it doing? Like, what are we doing? Okay, so before we continue, let me tell you a little story. So this video is full of confusion, and I was confused, so don't be confused, okay? I've been wanting to remove my braids for a long time, but I didn't want at the same time. It was a mess. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to remove my braids, and I want to remove my braids with you guys and see how my, okay, let me I didn't know what to do because my other heart wanted them, but I just decided to take a break, and I went to eat or whatever, and then my sister was like, why do you want to remove the braids again? I was like, I don't know, I'm just tired of them. And my sister was like, hey. And yeah, my sister convinced me. Guys, I did this video so that, wait. Frame. I did this video to remove my braids, but my sister convinced me not to remove these braids. So okay, she said I should renew them. So that's why I was renewing my, at first I was removing, while I was removing my braids, I was like, why am I doing this? Because I'm so lazy. Okay, the thing is, I don't want to remove all of them just like this, so I'm just going to do plan B, because plan A is still slow, and I don't have the patience to remove these and put them back, because I think I'm going to remove them anyway. You know what, if you don't have new braids, this is what you have to deal with. Like do I even need to renew my braid? Okay, here I was trying to convince myself that I'm enjoying this, but I wasn't. And yeah, I decided to do it for the sake of doing it, you know, to just finish everything. And now I was finished. It looked cute though.
A few days later.
Shouldn't show all my things, honey. Shouldn't show all my things. Okay, where is my scissors? And then I finally did it. I didn't want to do it, but I just closed my eyes and I did it. Okay, I didn't want to keep them anymore, you know. I am a person who sometimes just like to keep things for the sake of keeping things, because, yeah, I just don't want to remove them. I don't have any particular reason, but that's crazy. But, well, what can we do? So, yeah, I just removed them, and it was good.
The next day.
Okay, so this one I think is too low. Should be like this. Okay, so I took a shower, right? And okay, so I took a shower, and this is how my hair is looking. I'm letting it air dry because I don't want to damage it with heat. Okay, because I've realized, like, what I've been doing is I've been putting too much heat on my hair. I've been using like a blow dryer to blow my hair after that. Oh, okay. So like these days I'm letting my hair air dry instead of like blow drying my hair, because I realized that it's damaging my hair. It's not good for your hair. So yeah. So it's still not like, it's still a little bit weird, but it's good. Okay. So I'm using this castor oil. Let me just use this castor oil. I don't know, this lighting is not good. Okay, a little bit. No, I guess you want to put like too much. I just want it to look more, I don't know if I can see. Wow, I don't know if I want to push this thing further or a little bit more backwards, but yeah, this is my hair, guys. This is my hair. This is how it's looking, and this is what we're working with. So I want to make a ponytail or something. So I'm going to, after this I'm going to get rid of this wig. Like it's old. Small one. I think we should take the small one. And just try to do this. You can see how my hair is like. The edges, we're going to fix the edges just now. So yeah, and then we take this and then we tie like right at the center of.
Forever in my mind, we are fading in our hands, lost somewhere in wasteland, not knowing up from down. But when the walls are caving and the world keeps turning, we got the love, we got to love. No, I will never let you go. All the words won't make me fold. It is never easy. I'll follow you.
So this is the cute little story that I had for you today. And it's not like a story, but yeah, I ended up removing them, but after like a week or so, and I had to put this little hairstyle as cute and all that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. What am I saying? Don't forget to subscribe. The red button is here. Make sure you subscribe before you leave, and tell your friends to also come and subscribe. And thank you so much, guys, and I thank you to my new subscribers. I thank you so much, and go and tell your friends to also come and subscribe and join the family. And wow, okay, I'm slow, like I'm slow. Well, I'll see you on my next video. Bye.